In the world of real estate, your mortgage is the foundation of your financial symphony. At Duane Buziak Mortgage Maestro, we believe that every home buyer deserves a performance that is both seamless and successful. Navigating the 2026 market requires a few core pillars of preparation to ensure you hit every note perfectly. The first pillar is your credit health. Think of your credit score as the pitch of your performance. Lenders use it to gauge risk, but we use it to unlock elite interest rates. A higher score isn't just a number, it's the key to long-term savings that keep your financial future in perfect harmony. The second pillar is income and stability. Lenders want to see a consistent and clear rhythm in your earnings. Whether you are salaried or self-employed, showing a steady history is how you build trust and prove you are ready for the big stage of homeownership. Next, we look at your debt-to-income ratio. By managing your monthly obligations and keeping your debts in check, you ensure that your mortgage payment fits comfortably within your lifestyle, allowing you to enjoy your home without financial strain. But the true masterpiece of the process is the certified pre-approval. When you walk into a house with the Maestro's backing, you aren't just a shopper, you are a prepared buyer ready to close. It gives sellers the absolute certainty they need to choose your offer over the competition. Don't leave your home purchase to chance. Follow the steps, build your foundation, and move forward with the confidence of a perfectly conducted plan. Start your simple, step-by-step journey home today.